Hi, this is Josh with MarineMax in New York. Today we're going to take a look at our 2022 Sea Ray SDX 270. This boat just came in. It's ready for immediate delivery if you'd like to get on the water this year, even though it's starting to get fall around the corner. Starting here on the swim platform, you see it's a very large swim platform. You have a very nice sun pad with cushions that lift up, give you a nice little seating arrangement. Under this side, you have access to your engine, and under that one, you have tons of storage for all your water sports activities or anything that you want to stow away for the day. As we step into the boat, notice a nice wide walkway into the cockpit. You have your transom door here if you wanted to pull closed to keep the kids or the animals inside. This boat does have the optional infinity woven carpet. It's nice on the feet, makes a great aesthetic. I like this option myself. Stone interior, nice look interior all the way around. This boat does come with the water sports tower and black canvas bimini, nice option. If you notice, the rear seat backs will move forward on both the port and starboard side to give you more room if you want to entertain. There's a spot for a table back there if you wanted to dine outside. Underneath the bimini, great spot for hanging out with the family. Moving forward to the helm, nice helm station, very comfortable. Simrad 9-inch multi-function display screen, Fusion stereo. To the port side, you will notice this boat does have a head with a sink and a washdown. This is a sun deck, so it does have a very large bow area, 2 lounge style seatings with armrest. Great Sea Ray interior throughout. Up front, you also have the bow boarding ladder. You also have freshwater washdown in the front, as well in the rear by the swim platform. If you have any questions about this boat or any other boat that we have in our inventory here in Huntington, please give our sales team a call. We'd be happy to speak with you. My name is Josh and look forward to hearing from you.